Welcome to 112 Preston Hills Drive. This charming 3-bedroom, 2-bath home with a fenced backyard, with deck and storage shed, as well as hardwood flooring inside. It's located in the Preston Hills neighborhood in the Broad River or St. Andrews Road area of Northwest Columbia, convenient to I-26, I-20, Harbison, and also a quick commute to downtown Columbia. We're in front of the home now. As you can see, you have a nice size front yard. There is a 1-car wide driveway going up on the right side. It is pretty long though, so you do have pretty good space for parking. And you can see the sidewalk and then some steps up to the front door on the left here. But we're going to go in through the right, which will take us to the kitchen, and also take a look at the backyard quickly on the way. So you can see again a fenced backyard here, chain link fencing. There is a detached deck out here as well. Not sure if you can quite see past the trash cans, but it's sort of 2 levels raised off the normal level of the ground. And there's also some brick pavers installed on the way to the storage shed that you can see back there in the corner as well. But we'll go ahead up the couple of steps here and take a look inside. So again, we'll go in through the kitchen. So you come into the kitchen, you have a nice bright open kitchen, sort of a galley design, but much wider than most of those. You have updated appliances. There is a dishwasher and smooth top electric range here. Also a refrigerator on that end, nice large window over the sink. And on the back end, you also do have just an additional pantry or some storage back here. Also where the water heater is, in addition to the laundry closet. So you have full-size washer and dryer connections inside here, and then some shelving there built in above, also where the breaker panel is. So back around to the kitchen, there's a large eat-in dining area, or a moderate sized one here with a ceiling fan. And then that connects, and you do have a door that closes it off as well, to the formal dining room, which has chair rail and some crown molding, even some dental molding, if you can see there as well. Chandelier here, and then you can see the flooring, the laminate hardwood flooring, sort of starts here or starts in the foyer right adjacent to here, coming off of that front door, and then continues throughout the main portion of the house. Apologize for the slight lack of light in here, but it says the living room. You can see there's a ceiling fan in here, and also a wood burning fireplace, brick fireplace and mantle, flanked by a window and then a door out to that backyard on that side. And then we'll go on down the hall. So you have 3 bedrooms and 2 full baths in here. And again, those floors continue throughout. Master bedroom is back to your right, faces the backyard. Huge room, has a double closet on this side, sort of standard design, but 2 of them side by side. And then on this end has your bathroom. So you have tile flooring in here, single vanity with a large countertop, and then you have a tiled shower and tub back here. And then we'll just go to our right. 2nd bedroom. The 2nd and 3rd bedroom both face the front of the house. They both do have ceiling fans as well. And again, those floors continue. Closet, sort of a standard bifold door closet, but you do have 2 levels of shelving and hanging space. Linen closet here at the end of the hall. And then your 3rd bedroom, and the ceiling fan, large window out to the front yard, and very similar closet in here. And last but not least, you have your 2nd bathroom, tile flooring. Looks like some, maybe of the original tile in here, but it's a nice design. Single vanity, You do have a sort of medicine cabinet here on that right wall, and then your shower and tub tiled there. So that completes our tour of this home. Again, the address is 112 Preston Hills Drive in Northwest Columbia. You can find more information by visiting our website at turnerproperties.com.